Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own automatic dishwashing liquid detergent, not liquid, powder. I found this recipe on the internet a few years ago and I forgot where I got it from, so I can't give credit. I'm sorry about that, but anyway, here, let's go. What you'll need is you'll need some citrus acid, some kosher salt, some laundry soap, washing soap, soda, and some baking soda. Here we go. What we need 1 cup of baking soda. Now I buy baking soda in bulk because I use it for a lot of stuff. And then we need 1 box of washing soda, not powder, soda. Well, 1 box of baking soda, 1 box of baking powder, 1 cup I mean. Put that in there. And then the next thing you're going to need is 1/2 cup of citric acid. Sprinkle that in there. And then 1/2 cup of kosher salt. The salt is for hard water, if you have hard water, which we do. So we put that in there, and that soften the water up so the dish will be a little cleaner. Put that in there. We're going to mix it all up. Lumps out there. Take about a tablespoon in your dishwasher. Gets the dishes pretty clean. That's a lot cheaper than buying those little packs uptown that's gotten outrageous. Get some, put those clumps out. Alright. There we go. Hate lumps. Okay. Got that nice and beloved. Get you a jar, store it in airtight container. Making a mess. Ouch. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Like I said, just put a tablespoon of that in the dishwasher, and you got you some powdered detergent.